Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to peel radish or daikon. Some people call daikon, some people call radish. So usually I see people call radish. So this is the whole root of radish. I'm going to show you how to peel it, and I will show you how to slice it, and I'll show you how to shred it without using the food processor or special tool. If you have money, you have a plenty money, and you don't mind to wash one extra tool after cooking, then you buy food processor or buy a special shredder. I show you with the for people who have a minimum budget and want to learn how to cook, start for the beginner. Okay, let's just show you. This is radish. Usually they have the leaf here and a little longer. But the store they chop here. It's not expensive. It's only 49 cents per pound. So this, usually I chop up this and I cut a little bit in here so it don't taste bitter. Sometimes, it's not all the time, but to make sure, usually I slide a little bit and I throw away parts of them like this, and I clean the bottom. Now let's go to see how to slide. I put my peeler right here, so I just peel it. Don't press too hard, because the more you press in, the more you press you will lose a lot radish. Just moving your peeler like this. It's not. See, it's fine. Done. Where it's still dirty, so you can clean. Usually these I don't like it, so I use the knife to clean it. Done. Let me peel one more so you can see. Done. Clean. Okay, let's go to wash them. Usually because it's raw, it still can move in, and you might get cut. So if I want to cut like the side, I peel a little bit in the back here. So it's just steady, not moving. Like I told you in the video of when I slicing jicama, you just put you do the way you feel comfortable. You don't have to follow exactly, but for the basic step, when you don't know how to do, if you want to know how to do, you can follow their way, and later you can change to whatever you want. I'm done now. It's done with the slicing. Here. Done. So next, I'm going to show you how I shred it without special tool and without food processor. Let me move them here so I can slide part of them. Okay, are you ready? Here. At the end, it might be too high, the stack too high. You have to take the down some. Don't keep the same height. You might get cut. Yeah, I have the high stack, but the end I get some down. Okay, let me show you one more. See, it's too high. Okay, you want to know how long I finished this this root? Let's see. Now I'm not talking. I just continue slice shredding so you can count on. Almost there. That's all I have to go. Sometimes I use cracker on top down. Sometimes I do my life like this. So I use many methods here, not just only one. So I'm done. Look. Here. For you to see. Right here. See it? So thing is right. It's not bad. It's kind of sharper than you use the food processor, I believe so. Okay, here. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Okay, so in this video I show you 3 things. First is how to peel the radish. Second, how to slice it. And third is how to shred it. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching. See you next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please thumb up and share. Thank you. Bye bye. I probably add matter if sometimes some people don't like. Never mind. Just